So continuing here with piecewise functions, as Ashley Simpson says, they are just graphing pieces of me. We only graph pieces of graphs, only that fall in that interval. So graphing these pieces is what we're talking about here. So we're going to graph this equation, 2x plus 5. We only want it from -1 down, right? Anything less than -1. So what we're going to do is we're going to only graph points from -1, -2, -3, and so on because we only want it from -1 down. So I plug in a -1, I got 3, so there's -1, 3. Plugged in a -2, I got 1, so -2, 1. Plugged in a -3, and I got -1. Okay, and we get the idea, and there's the graph, only from there to there. Then next, this says the absolute value of is less than 1. That's basically saying I only want it in between 1 and -1. So what's in between 1 and -1? -1, 0, and 1. That's really it. So you plug in -1, you get 1. So when you plug in -1, you get a 1. When you plug in 1, you get 1. And the reason why they're open holes is because that is a less than. That's why they are open holes there. And I connect them with a little curve. Then the line 2 is just a straight line at 2. But I only graph it from 1, which is right there, on out to infinity. And there's your piecewise function graphed.
I am surrounded.
Go to y equals and type this in. This is how you can type this all in. The first graph was 2x plus 5, but make sure you type it in parentheses. Then type in parentheses x less than or equal to -1 and parentheses plus. Type in x squared, absolute value with the x less than 1 in parentheses, plus 2 in parentheses, then that's putting the equation all together in one line. To get to those, click second math, they're all there. To get the abs, click math, then press the right arrow to num. The first one is abs.